Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad with mayonnaise and chicken. This easy guide will help you create a delicious dish perfect for any gathering. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 cups of cooked chicken, and 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise. Don't forget fresh vegetables like celery, onion, and bell pepper, plus seasonings such as salt, black pepper, and a hint of mustard. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get started with the main components. Begin by cooking 8 ounces of elbow macaroni until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and rinse it with cold water to prevent overcooking. This step is crucial for a firm texture. Next, prepare your chicken. Take 2 cups of cooked chicken and either shred it or dice it into small, uniform pieces. This ensures every bite of your salad has a delightful mix of flavors and textures. Great job so far. It's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled macaroni and the prepared chicken. Now, add 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, along with your freshly diced celery, onion, and bell pepper. For seasoning, include 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a dash of mustard for an extra kick. Gently fold all these wonderful ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and evenly coated. You're almost there. The final steps are simple but essential for the best flavor. Cover your macaroni salad and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This chilling time is vital, as it allows all the delicious flavors to meld and deepen, creating a truly harmonious taste. Before serving, give it a quick taste and adjust any seasonings if needed. Finally, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or paprika for a beautiful presentation. Enjoy your homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.